Hello everyone and welcome to UI Samurai, where you can learn interface design by watching redesigns of real products. In this very first video we are going to be redesigning Elementric Scooter product page. This company is from the Philippines and they sell electric scooters online. Let's take a look at their existing product page. They have a product image here, a title with the name of the model and price, a short description with features and specifications, some buttons to add to cart or buy, and here below some product images as well. So let's get started and improve this interface. I have recreated the product page inside Figma so you can redesign based on the existing interface. The first thing that I notice here is that this page takes a lot of vertical space. I think this product image is too big. We can reduce it and also divide the content into 2 columns. I'm setting up a 12-column grid here just to give me some guidance on how I'm going to distribute the content of this page. I'm going to reduce the image and put all the rest of the content to the right side. Since we are going to move this to the right side, it will be faster to read if we left align everything. Our eyes, instead of jumping to different positions, it will move into a single direction. The features and specifications groups, they can be on their own row, as they are secondary information, and we can divide them into 2 columns again to save more vertical space. We can see that the model name MicroGo is showing repeatedly here 2 times. We can get rid of one of them just to keep things clean. In this page we have a short description about the product, but it can be interesting to add some key information just below the name, so that the user has a small hint about the product without the need to read the whole description. Let's place the description above the price and decrease the font size to 15 pixels. This will make the content fit into 3 lines instead of 4. The stars alone don't tell us much information on how many reviews this product had. We can be a bit more persuasive if we show the numbers of reviews and also a link to them. This will give also more credibility to the product. The next thing we want to do is to change how the price is being presented. Right now, the old and the new price are very small and both have the same size. Let's give some emphasis on the discounted price by making it bigger and in a bold weight. Additionally, we can add the number of products left in stock. This will create scarcity, making people value more the product when there's a fewer quantity left to buy. In the current design, the Google Pay is the primary button to commit to buy the product. If we press the link below for more payment options, this will redirect us to review the order and place the payment details, which seems kinda confusing to come here from that button. We can enhance the current design by replacing the Google Pay button with a more straightforward Buy Now button, since users are more familiar with this approach. And then, this button should redirect to the review order page. We can try to play around with the product image and set its background to black, in order to blend better with the website's black interface. To do that, we can use remove.bg website to upload an image and download it back with a transparent background. We can do the same for other product images and make them as thumbnails, so users can see other images in the same view without the need to scroll all the way down. Let's add a gray outline so we can see the boundaries of the images and add a gray overlay on the selected one to make it distinguishable from the others. This is starting to look good, but I noticed that the second and the last 2 thumbnails seem to be a bit brighter from the others. Our eyes go straight to them when looking in this area. Let's reduce their exposure a bit in order to avoid that. The headings or features and specifications have the same visual style as the product name, resulting in a lack of hierarchy as they seem to be all in the same level. Let's fix that by decreasing both heading sizes and changing the font weight from bold to regular. For the features content, Let's make it consistent with the description font size, which is 15 pixels. The bullets can be replaced with something with more visual appealing. Maybe let's try using check marks with the green brand color. Inside the specifications, we can see that all the content in this table has the same styling. There is no difference at all between each column. We want to highlight the second column, since it's where the key information is placed. We'll set the color to white and make it slightly bigger than the other two columns. The third column is basically the same data, but in different units. We also give some spacing between the rows to make it easier to read. We can see that there are some inconsistencies in the units. For example, kilometer per hour sometimes is in capitals and sometimes not. Let's fix that by making them follow the same format everywhere. It will be very useful to add a breadcrumb on the top left corner of the page. Breadcrumbs help users to be aware of their current location within the hierarchy structure of the website, and also enable them to go back to the products or the home page. And let's adjust the overall spacing. In the current design, we can see that there is a burger menu placed in the header. If we open it, it shows only 4 links of the main navigation. Since the number of links is so small and we have plenty of space in the header, there is no sense on hiding them inside a burger menu. This just makes the site less accessible. So let's restructure the header by removing the burger menu and exposing the navigation links here. We don't need to include the home link, since we can use the logo for that, which is a pretty common UI convention. So we're pretty much done. Let's compare the original interface with the redesigned one. Let me know what you think about the end result, and if you have any question or any suggestion, please leave a comment. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more redesign cases like this, please subscribe to the UI Samurai channel and also join the newsletter. Just visit uisamurai.design. And thanks, and see you in the next video!